Hey guys, it's Kara and Nate. We are so excited to be back with another video, and this time we're taking you to the incredible city of Bangkok, Thailand. We know a lot of you are looking for affordable travel options, and Bangkok is the perfect place to experience the magic of Southeast Asia without breaking the bank. We're talking bustling markets, stunning temples, and delicious food, all on a budget. Throughout this video, we'll be sharing our top tips and tricks to help you make the most of your trip for under $50 a day. Get ready to discover hidden gems, master the art of bargaining, and indulge in incredible food experiences without spending a fortune. So if you're ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure, stick around and let's dive into the heart of Bangkok.
All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the food. Bangkok is a foodie paradise, and the best part is you don't need to spend a lot to eat like a king or queen. Street food is where it's at in Bangkok. From sizzling pad thai to flavorful curries and fresh spring rolls, the options are endless and incredibly affordable. We're talking meals for just a couple of dollars. One of our favorite things to do is wander through local markets like Yaowarat, Bangkok's Chinatown, or the famous Chatuchak Weekend Market. The sights, the smells, the energy, it's an experience in itself. Don't be afraid to try new things. Some of the tastiest dishes might be ones you've never even heard of. Just look for stalls with lots of locals. That's always a good sign. With all the exploring you'll be doing in the Bangkok heat, staying hydrated is crucial. But don't worry, you don't need to blow your budget on bottled water. Many local restaurants and street food stalls offer free iced water, especially if you're dining in. Just ask for nam plau, pronounced nam plau. Easy peasy. Another great option is to carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. You can find filtered water stations in many public places, including shopping malls and parks. Plus, it's better for the environment. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to sustainable travel. Now go forth and stay hydrated, friends.
Hey, fellow travelers, ready to explore Bangkok like a local? Getting around Bangkok doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, it's one of the most budget-friendly cities to navigate. It's incredibly affordable and easy to navigate once you know the ropes. With a little bit of planning, you'll be zipping around the city in no time. Forget expensive taxis. We're going to let you in on the secrets of Bangkok's public transportation. Trust us, you'll save a ton of money. First up, we have the BTS SkyTrain, also known as the SkyTrain. It's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. This modern, elevated train system zips across the city, offering stunning views and a quick way to travel between popular areas. It's efficient and scenic. Trust us, it's a lifesaver during rush hour. You can avoid the traffic jams and get to your destination faster. Next, we've got the MRT, Bangkok's underground metro system. It's another fantastic option for getting around. The MRT is perfect for longer distances and connects seamlessly with the BTS, making it super convenient. You can easily switch between the two systems. Plus, it's air-conditioned, a welcome escape from the Bangkok heat. You'll appreciate the cool comfort during those hot days. And of course, we can't forget about Bangkok's iconic buses. They're a staple of the city's transportation network. While they might seem a little intimidating at first, they're actually a very affordable and comprehensive way to explore the city. Don't be afraid to give them a try. Just make sure you have Google Maps handy and you'll be good to go. It will help you navigate the routes with ease and confidence. Now, one of our favorite ways to experience a new city is on foot, and Bangkok is no exception. Not only is it free, but it allows you to stumble upon hidden gems and soak in the local atmosphere. Start by exploring the streets around your accommodation. You never know what local treasures you might find, from delicious street food stalls to charming cafes and shops. Plus, it's a great way to get your bearings in a new area. Another great walking route is along the Chao Phraya River. Take a stroll along the riverbanks, enjoy the cool breeze, and soak in the iconic landmarks like Wat Arun and the Grand Palace from afar. And for all you park lovers out there, Bangkok has got you covered. Lumpini Park is a green oasis in the heart of the city, perfect for a relaxing stroll or a quick escape from the hustle and bustle. Plus, it's completely free to enter.
culture and history, and one of the best ways to experience it is by visiting its stunning temples, or wats as they're called in Thai. And the best part? Many of them are completely free to enter. One of the most iconic temples in Bangkok is Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. While there is a small entrance fee, it's totally worth it to witness the intricate details and breathtaking views from the top of the central prang. Another must-visit is Wat Pho, home to the famous reclining Buddha. This massive golden statue is truly a sight to behold, and the temple complex itself is a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. And for an off-the-beaten-path temple experience, be sure to check out Wat Benchimabofit, also known as the Marble Temple. This stunning temple is made entirely of white Italian marble and is a true hidden gem in Bangkok. No trip to Bangkok would be complete without a visit to one of its legendary markets. And when it comes to budget-friendly finds, Chatuchak Weekend Market is in a league of its own. With over 15,000 stalls selling everything from clothing and souvenirs to homeware and antiques, you're sure to find some unique treasures without breaking the bank. Just remember to put your bargaining skills to the test. For a more local market experience, head over to Ortorkor Market. This market is a foodie's paradise with vendors selling fresh produce, delicious street food, and unique Thai ingredients. And if you're looking for a dose of nature, be sure to visit Lumpini Park. This expansive park is the perfect place to escape the city buzz. Enjoy a picnic lunch or simply relax and soak up the green surroundings. One of the things we love most about traveling is immersing ourselves in the local culture, and Bangkok offers a ton of opportunities to do just that, often for free. Throughout the year, Bangkok hosts a variety of colorful and vibrant festivals that offer a glimpse into Thai traditions and celebrations. From Songkran, the Thai New Year celebrated with massive water fights, to Loi Krathong, the festival of lights where floating lanterns illuminate the waterways. There's always something exciting happening. Keep an eye out for local events and performances too. Many temples hold traditional dance performances or ceremonies that are free to attend. You might even stumble upon a lively street parade or a local music concert. And don't forget to check out the city's many cultural centers and museums. Some offer free admission on certain days of the week, giving you a chance to delve deeper into Thai art, history, and heritage without spending a dime. Who needs expensive guided tours when you can create your own cultural adventure? With a bit of curiosity and a sense of adventure, you can uncover the hidden gems of any city. Bangkok is incredibly easy to explore independently, and with a little planning, you can have an unforgettable cultural experience on a budget. The city is rich with history, culture, and vibrant street life, all waiting to be discovered. Start by researching areas of the city that interest you. Use online resources, travel blogs, and maps to pinpoint the must-see spots and hidden treasures. Maybe you'd like to explore the historic district of Ratnakosin Island, home to iconic landmarks like the Grand Palace and Wat. These sites offer a glimpse into the grandeur of Thailand's royal history and spiritual heritage. Or perhaps you prefer to wander through the charming streets of Banglamphu, known for its traditional shophouses and vibrant street life. This area is perfect for those who love to soak in the local atmosphere and enjoy the hustle and bustle of daily life. Once you've chosen your area, create a walking route that takes you past temples, markets, street food stores, and any other points of interest that catch your eye. Walking allows you to experience the city at your own pace and discover its many layers. Don't be afraid to get a little lost and wander down side streets. That's often where you'll find the most authentic and unexpected experiences. These hidden alleys can lead to quaint cafes, unique shops, and local art galleries. And remember, the best way to truly experience a new culture is to interact with the locals. Their stories and insights can provide a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting. Strike up a conversation with a street vendor, ask for recommendations at a local restaurant, or simply observe the daily rhythms of life in Bangkok. Engaging with the community can turn a simple trip into a meaningful cultural exchange.
Hey guys, welcome back to our Bangkok adventure. We're thrilled to have you join us as we explore the vibrant markets of this incredible city. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of shopping in Bangkok. One of the best things about this city is that you can find amazing deals on everything, especially if you know how to bargain. Bargaining is a way of life in Bangkok's markets, and it's a skill you can definitely master. Remember to always be respectful and start with a smile. Don't be afraid to counteroffer, but be prepared to walk away if you're not happy with the price. Trust us, the vendors expect it, and it's all part of the fun. The key is to enjoy the process and not take it too seriously. With a little practice, you'll be a bargaining pro in no time. Our top tip is to start by offering about half of the asking price and see where you go from there. Also, pay attention to the vendor's body language and tone. It can give you clues on how flexible they might be. Remember, shopping in Bangkok is all about the experience. So, embrace the hustle and bustle, have fun, and get ready to snag some incredible deals. Up next, we're uncovering some hidden shopping gems you won't want to miss. These spots are perfect for finding unique items and souvenirs that you won't find anywhere else. Stay tuned. Bangkok is a treasure trove of unique and affordable shopping experiences, especially if you know where to look. Beyond the bustling markets, there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. One of our favorite things to do is to explore the city's vintage and second-hand shops. You can find everything from retro clothing and accessories to antique furniture and quirky souvenirs. These shops offer a chance to uncover one-of-a-kind pieces without breaking the bank. Another great option is to check out local boutiques and independent designers. Bangkok has a thriving creative scene, and you'll find unique and stylish pieces that reflect the city's vibrant culture. Plus, you'll be supporting local businesses, which is always a win-win. Don't forget to explore the city's many malls. While they might not offer the same bargaining opportunities as markets, you can still find great deals, especially during sales seasons. Plus, they're a great escape from the heat and humidity.
Hey everyone, we're talking about an important aspect of budget travel: safety. We want you to have the best possible experience in Bangkok, and that includes staying safe while sticking to your budget. First things first, always be aware of your surroundings. Just like any big city, it's important to be vigilant, especially in crowded areas. Keep your belongings close and be mindful of pickpockets. Another tip is to use reliable transportation options. We highly recommend using Grab, the local ride-hailing app, which is super affordable and convenient. It's a safer alternative to hailing taxis on the street, especially at night. And remember, if you're ever unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask for help. The locals in Bangkok are incredibly friendly and helpful. They're always happy to point you in the right direction or offer assistance. All right, budget travelers, let's talk about maximizing your baht and making your money go even further in Bangkok. One of the best ways to save is to take advantage of free activities. Bangkok is home to stunning temples, beautiful parks, and vibrant markets that you can explore without spending a dime. We loved spending time in Lumpini Park, people watching and soaking up the local atmosphere. Another great tip is to eat like a local. Street food is not only delicious but incredibly affordable. You can find mouth-watering dishes for as little as $1 or $2. Don't be afraid to try new things. You might just discover your new favorite food. And when it comes to transportation, utilize the city's excellent public transportation system. The BTS SkyTrain and MRT are super cheap and efficient ways to get around. Plus, it's a fun way to experience the city from a different perspective. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to exploring Bangkok on a budget. From incredible street food to stunning temples and affordable shopping, this city has something for everyone. Even if you're on a tight budget, remember, traveling on a budget isn't about sacrificing experiences, it's about being smart and resourceful. With a little planning and our insider tips, you can have an unforgettable adventure in Bangkok without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your budget-friendly trip to Bangkok today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures from around the world. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and let us know in the comments below where you'd like to see us explore next. Safe travels, everyone.